name is Dirlene Guerrero. That's by pronunciation practice. Reading. Teacher protege the protege labs win why the teacher one smear claps and better many. They say that there must be more staff in school. School say that there is not many. However, the teachers do not believe the. They say the school spend of many on different answers. 2. Minimal price. Cap, bab. With, whips. Right, road. Kite, night. Day, stay. Cow, cop. Pin, bean. Till, peel. Teach, pitch. They, pay. Did, pip. Dill, pill. Duck, boot. They, bay. Tall, call. Tool, cool. Tay, cake. Toot, cooked. Town, gown. Tea, give. Tap, gap. Tool, goal. Tet, get. Table, gable. Thing, fin. Tail, fail. Tan, fam. Tipped, beeped. 3. Intonation and street. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letter very carefully. The teacher told her studying up a story. Alice wrote the letter very keenly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you brought yesterday. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? Have you read this book? Have you heard it now? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? May I speak to ella, please? Could I speak to Mitchell, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? You don't? Now then, do you? They haven't found it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it, should I? Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Don't yourself ask him for help. Close this window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I am so happy. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? I bought bread, cheese, and 2 Matthews. We need paper, pens, and pencil. I can, she is. He will. You shall. I can. He didn't. Thank you.